Concert Help channel. Today I wanted to talk about a common issue that pops up when you're attempting to launch a deployment. Let's say you have a system with a certain operating system. Occasionally, when you go to launch your system or deployment, you will run into this page. Clicking Expand next to the cloud space in question will give you an idea as to what is preventing your virtual machine from launching. Oftentimes, it's your operating system template. In order to know what templates will launch in which clouds, head on over to Cloud Spaces under Manage. Select the cloud space you would like to launch your virtual machine into, and click Operating System Templates. Here you will see all of the OS templates that are supported in this cloud space. From there, you can clone your system to include one of those operating systems. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.